bonsoir à tous. Nous avons longuement échangé sur les films sélectionnés pour récompenser et célébrer le travail d'une seule équipe de ciné-danse ce soir. Nous reconnaissons dans ces films la nécessité de raconter des histoires de corps dansants, affectés et engagés. Des histoires où la danse n'est pas un accessoire, mais bien le personnage principal de l'expression de l'être. Le film que nous avons choisi investit l'espace par le corps. La danse est pensée pour les cadres et inversement. Il est témoin de la nécessité de visibiliser des espaces et des gens et que nous avons tendance à oublier ou ignorer. Un film permet de décentrer les regards et renouveler les expériences et nous sommes ravis d'avoir été spectatrices de cette découverte.
So we were told only too late that you'd have an English translation, but I'm still going to stick to this translation. So, hi everybody. We debated for a long time to reward and celebrate the work of the team of the dance movie. We acknowledged in the film the necessity of telling the stories of dancing bodies, both affected and committed. Stories in which dancing is an accessory, but the main character of the expression of the self. The movie that we chose explores space through the body, and the dance is thought to explore and actually for the frames and vice versa. This movie is a witness of the necessity of making visible spaces that we want to forget and ignore, but also of its resonance. A movie that allows to decenter our eyes and to renew experiences. We are so happy to be spectators of this discovery and honored to announce the winner of the prize, The Ends.
Voilà, donc le vainqueur du prix que l'on appelle, voilà. Alors, vous arrivez, super. Un grand bravo pour ce prix des étudiants. Quelques réactions en français si vous pouvez, sinon en anglais bien sûr. English is okay. English is okay.
Sorry, my French is limited to ballet terms. Merci. Thank you so much. This is incredible. This is part one of a triptych of films where we're exploring what's happening to these London's council estates through these dancers who have grown up in these communities. And honestly, this film was made quite quickly and as like a research and development for the rest of it. And so it's really nice to know that it's resonated so well with everybody. This is crazy. Thank you so much. Please, I implore you to look deeper into the work that it's inspired by. It's a book called Privatized Mandem by an author, activist, and urbanist named Nabil Al-Kanani. And you can find more about his work at Privatized Mandem on Instagram, or if you follow anything about the work, I will make sure to tag and share his work. But it's very much inspired by the work that he's doing. So if you enjoy the work, please feel free to dive deeper into the work that he's doing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Un immense bravo pour le prix Ils étaient bien entendu avec l'ensemble des étudiants et la lauréate. On rappelle que la lauréate sera invitée à venir rencontrer les